Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to search on TikTok. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application, as TikTok changed the front end of the application. So how you can basically search for anything or anyone. So on the right top you will see a search bar icon, so simply you have to click on it. Once you will do it, here you can search for the people's filters and effects. Choice is your these all are my recent searches. You can also clear all from here, but if you want to search for any person, any filter, any effect, you can easily search for it. Just type the person name or effect name and then click on the search. Once you will click on the search, all your uh, things related to your search uh, related to your search will be available here. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section.